How to join anime card class Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Roblox on your device or simply go to the Roblox website. Now wait for some time, then tap on the search icon. Now type anime card class. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on anime card class. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on the Discord logo and tap on continue. Now wait for some time. Now tap on accept invite and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.